Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send disappearing messages on Viber, specifically for photos and videos. This feature is perfect when you want to share temporary content that automatically deletes after a set time. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open Viber and tap on the conversation where you want to send disappearing photos and videos. This works with any chat, whether it's with a friend, family member, or group conversation. Once you're inside the chat, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three dots. Go ahead and tap on those three dots to open up additional options for this conversation. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on Disappearing Messages. This is the feature that allows you to set a timer for how long your photos and videos will remain visible to the recipient before they automatically vanish. Activating this setting ensures your media won't stay in the chat permanently, giving you more control over your shared content. Now you'll see several time options appear on your screen. These include 10 seconds, 1 minute, 1 hour, and 1 day. Each option determines exactly how long your photo or video will be visible before it disappears from the conversation. Take a moment to consider which time frame works best for what you're sharing, then tap on your preferred duration. For example, if you're sending something you only want viewed briefly, 10 seconds might be ideal, while less time-sensitive content could use the 1-day option. With your timer set, it's time to select your media. Look down at the text field at the bottom of your screen and tap the image icon. This will open your photo gallery where you can browse through all your images and videos. Scroll through your media library and tap on the image or video you want to send. You can take your time here to make sure you're selecting exactly what you want to share. Once you've selected your media, you'll see it appear in your chat ready to send. Now simply tap the send icon to deliver your disappearing photo or video. The media will be sent to your conversation and the recipient will be able to view it for the duration you specified before it automatically disappears. And that's it. You've successfully sent a disappearing photo or video on Viber with a custom timer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.